Okay, so here we are in the front porch. I'm going to give you the grand tour. You can see the leaded glass window above the door with the little Victorian scrolly jobbies over the windows. And then this side is a little more Italianate folk style, so I'm not sure what that's about. But here we go. Entrance. We got the iron screen doors. And then you walk in and you see the beautiful glass panel doors. And you've got the entryway with all the unpainted, gorgeous wood. And don't worry about the wallpaper because, you know, we're going to peel that down. To our right, this is going to be our library. And we were checking out the floors earlier, so we will be removing this carpet. There is a bathroom back there. And then we'll go back on this side, and this would be the original parlor. We've got a couple pieces of furniture that I have purchased from the previous owner, son. We've got a fireplace there. We're working on the mantle. You see the big, beautiful windows. And then this would be the formal parlor, I believe. That was the receiving parlor. This is the formal parlor. And they were using it as a music room, which is a good idea. And then you've got those windows and that beautiful fireplace. And then you come in here and we have the dining room with the most beautiful fireplace you've ever seen. Yes, there's like originally probably like 6 or 7 fireplaces in here. And then through that door is the butler's pantry, which would be here. And a grumpy old troll husband.
Turn the light on for you.
Thank you. And then this is the kitchen. We're gonna do a little reconfiguring in here, but this is the kitchen as it is now. And as we come down here, this is gonna be the pantry. We're gonna do a little remodeling, and in there is the living room. And there is a second half bath back there. We're gonna go back to the front to where the staircase is. And we will go upstairs. Coming back through. Look how cute this little sofa is. Okay. And I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this gigantic mirror. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, back in the entryway. And you walk through this second set of doors. And we've got this double staircase. So it goes up once and then one more flight. We've got our little entryway. We've got some more beautiful furniture. Got a little Harry Potter closet underneath the stairs for all of the bad children. Another piece of furniture here. And we're gonna go this way. And then up the stairs. Hang on a second.